How to check gifted games on Steam. The very first thing you want to do is to launch the application Steam. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you want to do is tap on games at the very top. After that, click on manage gift and guest passes. It will land you on this page. In here, what you want to do is tap on this little drop down icon. Different options will be available to you, but you have to head over to View Gift History. It will open up this interface. So in this page, it will show you all the list of the games that has been gifted to you. Right now, I don't have any of the gifts, so it says no gift history available. For you, if it is available, then it will be listed in this page. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can check gifted games on Steam. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.